Hello guys, welcome to our new video. And in this video, I will show you how to generate backgrounds for an image using Adobe Firefly. You can make different types of backgrounds you require, and it can take less time to create. Actually, AI is working behind it, so we only need to give a prompt to AI. And then AI generates the background as per the requirements. So first of all, open your browser and search for Adobe Firefly, select Adobe Firefly Free Creative AI, and select your country and language. And click on Get Firefly Free. In the opened window, you are now on the website. Get creative with Firefly. Scroll down to reach the Fill tool. Here you can see various tools for different options. Select the Generative Fill tool for generating the image background. On the newly opened page, you can see the different images created by this tool. Click on the uploaded image. Import an image from your device. Now that the image is ready to generate the background, click on Select Background. The background is marked now. Can we meet the requirements in the image using the perfect prompt? The area entered the prompt here, and you can enter your demand for the image. Example, I am entering this image. Make the background image black. Click on Generate in the prompt bar. Wait a few seconds to generate the background. The options are generated and you can choose the perfect fit for your image. You can create your own ideas using this Adobe Illustrator tool, and it is very simple. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you.